So retroactivity, we've got guys here who a lot of them now realize they can't even make the payment. They can't make the full payment. They don't even know what to pay because their income has been cut. They're still waiting on maybe an unemployment check, and they're trying to prioritize their bills. And so we've talked about stopping the bleeding and retroactive support. Maybe we talk about what that means and what is that line of demarcation in Oklahoma, meaning that is it filing, is it service, is there another date? When can guys rely on something when they file or to kind of stop that bleeding?
So retroactive modification is whether the court has the authority to change things looking backward once the issue is in front of the judge, or if they can only change things going forward. So in Oklahoma, the court can at any time retroactively modify temporary support alimony. So if your divorce case is pending, at least in the state of Oklahoma, and you can't make those payments at any time before your divorce is finalized, you'll be able to ask the court to either give you credit for that overpayment or to have your ex reimburse you for that overpayment. And it depends on the state that you live in, but sometimes retroactive will only go back to the date that you file that motion, which that's what all of these panelists are talking about. It's so important to get that motion on file because it's going to trigger a series of events going forward. So you want to make sure that you have that.
Yeah, so I mean, I assume doing nothing means you can go file your motion at some point, but you're going to owe that full amount, whether you can afford it or not, if you haven't taken action, right?
Absolutely. And it can also make you more vulnerable to contempt. If you're actively saying, hey, to your ex and to the court, I can't make this payment. I'm trying, but I can't do it. Then it's going to be really hard for them to prove that you willfully violated the order if they file some sort of contempt action against you.